Isn't that just absolutely beautiful? It must be allotment 25. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for your continued support. I am truly grateful. Please continue to show your love by giving me a like, share and subscribe. Let's continue to grow this together. Before I start harvesting today, let me show you some of the jewels that are growing at allotment 25. Come and join me. I've got some natural jewels growing here. Tell me what you think. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Let's get inside and have a proper close-up. Fantastic. Look at them. It wasn't that long ago I took some home. Certainly enjoyed those. Check out the beef tomatoes. It's starting to ripen. Look at that. If we take a closer look inside, look at that. There's more in there as well. Look at that. I've never actually eaten beef tomatoes before, so I am genuinely looking forward to this. So many jewels. Look. Each time I think I'm done with the courgettes, I'm proven wrong. Nature wants to live. Look at that. I've got new courgettes growing already. I genuinely thought these plants were dead. Look, got one there. And there's 2 young ones there as well. Oh, actually no, there's 3 young ones. 4. OMG. And let's have a look at the second one. Yeah, look at that. Got quite a few growing on there as well. That one you can see. And then a couple of young ones. Let me just move the leaves. So again, I've probably got another 5, 10 growing with these two. These 2 courgette plants, they are literally the gift that keep on giving. Long may it continue. This is the potato patch that I dug up. And then I sowed the seeds that my neighbor gave me, the lal shag. As you can see, not a lot is happening. I did say to the guy that this is going to be probably my 3rd or 4th attempt, and it hasn't been successful. But I'm still hopeful. We'll see what happens. I left this patch before, so today I think I'm just going to harvest these potatoes. And these onion shoots, I'm not really sure what to do with these, but I think I might just harvest them, take them home with me. Whatever happens will happen. We are also ready for another round of strawberry harvesting. As you can see, it's not been that long since my last harvest, and already red, juicy, Wimbledon quality strawberries, guys, everywhere. But today, I'm not going to harvest these strawberries. My nieces are coming down, and they've already said to me they want to come and pick them. So these are for you guys. Ready and waiting. Carrot tops are looking great. I mean, they look more like parsley, but they are carrot tops. I'm so excited about this, I can't believe it. Hopefully soon we will have carrots. Right next to the carrots, look what we got. Spinach. Look how big these leaves have got. I did say to you guys, I'm going to be back here pretty soon to get these, and I'm here. So today I'm definitely taking these spinach home. The lettuce, they're not looking great. I think I might have left it a bit too late. As you can see, the insects have had their way with some of the leaves, but I'll see if I can salvage them. Before I start on the spinach, let me introduce you to the emeralds of Allotment 25. Look at these guys. Aren't they beautiful? Look how big the plant is. And I've got these emeralds growing here. Do you know what they are? Peppers. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think they're ready for harvest. Let's take them. I wonder if I can just pinch them. There you go. It's not huge, but I'm sure it's going to be tasty. Actually, I'm going to need my scissors. 1 second. Okay, let's get the rest. It's difficult to see all of them. There you go. I'll just snip them off and I'll let them fall on the ground, and then I'll just pick them up. Oh, that just came off. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Look at that. Lovely. That's not a bad way to start the day's harvest, is it? Take them home, use them in a curry. I'm sure they're going to taste great. Okay, time for spinach. Let's get these spinach now. Got to be careful I don't step on any of my strawberries. Not sure how I'm going to do this. As you can see, it's not the easiest thing to do with one hand, and there's a lot of bugs here as well. There's just so much. Last time I took some, there was so much that I had to share with friends and family. Everybody was so grateful, and they said it tasted absolutely lovely. So how am I going to do this, guys? You know what, if I start snipping, I don't know if you can see this or not. This one is getting in the way. Right, let's start again. I'm just going to start snipping here. There you go. So the plan is take this spinach home, and the idea is to cook a curry using prawns. Prawns and spinach make a great combination, and long as you've got plenty of spice in there, it tastes absolutely banging. Look at that. Let me just put some out here. Look at the quality of those leaves. Isn't that just great? Look at that. Wow. Said it before and I'll say it again. This is market quality. Let's get the rest of them here. What I'm going to do, like before, let me harvest these spinach, and I'm going to come back to you, show you the day's harvest. Half an hour later, guys, I'm back. Let me show you what I've done. As you can see, I've gone gung-ho with the spinach. Absolutely destroyed this patch. I've taken everything out. I've left this here. Looks like a plant. Well, I don't know if it's a plant or a tree, what you want to call it. Might give me some more spinach or maybe some seeds, so I thought I'd just leave that. Other than that, I've destroyed it. I've taken everything out. So we're definitely having spinach tonight. What I've also done is taken out all the lettuces. I had 2 rows here and I've taken them all out. But I've got some good news and unfortunately I've got some bad news. I'll share the bad news first, but let me show you why. Look at them. Slugs in my lettuce patch. Do you know what's happened? Take a guess. No? Let me show you. So the bad news first. My lettuce, they're all destroyed. All of them. Look at that. The slugs have had them. What a shame. Absolutely gutted. Look, there's still a slug on there. Look at that. Wow. Hope you enjoyed them, mate. The good news is just around the corner here. Have a look. I did actually manage to save a few lettuce leaves. They do look crisp, fresh, slug free as well. So I'll take them home, give them a proper examination. If they're edible, we'll eat them. If not, more for the compost heap. But look at the spinach. Look at that, guys. OMG. Look how much I've harvested today. Look at that. Wow. Look at the quality of these leaves. Yeah? Isn't that market quality? Any greengrocer would be proud. There's just so much. I could probably make about 4 or 5 curries with all these leaves. Well, not me, Bilkis, but you know what I mean. Look at that. And my peppers are there as well, sitting proud. It's time for the gems. Let's go get them. These gems are so ready to be taken. Let's go for a gem heist. Beautiful. So many here. Look at these red ones here. Just like last time, I'm just going to cut them at the vine. Personally, I think they just look better. Oh, look at that, proper red. Okay, there's a nice one there. Can you see it? It's a bit of a challenge to actually get to all these baby gems, harvesting them and recording them at the same time, especially they're quite inside. So what I'm going to do, if you guys don't mind, I'm just going to pause the recording. I'm just going to harvest all these gems. And then I'm just going to show you the end result. Look at these gems. Aren't they absolutely beautiful? Red, green, orange, yellow. Priceless gems. Let me show you what's left. Beef tomatoes are still there. That's hopefully going to be ready soon. There's still quite a lot left on the plants. Look, One in there that's almost ready to be harvested. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be back here pretty soon to get some more tomatoes. Where to next? Let's go digging for gold. Come along, come and join me. It's not that far. There you go. Gonna dig for some gold here. Potato gold. I don't think you guys want to watch me dig the ground again. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut the tops off, these potato tops, and then I'll just dig and get the golden nuggets out. I couldn't resist. I had to show you this. Nothing special about this. This is just the potato tops I've just cut, left it there. That's going to go to the compost pile. I've dug the ground, and look at this, guys. Look at the golden nuggets everywhere. Look at that. Pure gold in the ground, waiting to be collected. Look at that. Everywhere you look, little golden nuggets. Surely doesn't get any better than this. As always, I've uploaded pictures and updates on my Instagram page. It's at allotment.25. So please log on, have a look. Continue to show me your love and support on Instagram as well. Beautiful, isn't it? Right, I'm gonna grab these. Half an hour later, I'm finished digging for gold. Here are the golden nuggets, big and small. But I've got a second pile as well. Over here. 2 piles of golden nuggets. Here's the area that I just dug up. As you've also noticed, the long onion shoots, they're missing. It's because they're here. I decided to take them out. I'm not really sure what to make of these. As you can see, there's no onions at the bottom. So it's not like I can use them to cook anything. So if anything, it's just this stem. I'll take them home, see what book it says. But potatoes, aka golden nuggets, and there's more there as well. Today's harvest, look at it. Isn't that just a beautiful sight? There's just so much goodness here. All blessings from above. So grateful. Here we have the rubies of Allotment 25. Red, green, yellow. All the colors of the rainbow. Then we have the gems. Hopefully they're going to be fiery gems. Over there we have the golden nuggets. And then we have the fresh greens. Lovely. And this is an added Brucey bonus. Take you home, see what we can do. But these are blessings from above, and I am absolutely grateful. I'm done harvesting today. Thank you very much for joining me at Allotment 25. I do not take your support for granted. I appreciate you all. Please continue to show your love and support by giving me a like, share and subscribe. Let's continue to grow this together. Until next time, please look after yourself. Take care. All the best. Bye-bye.